We're gonna do the,
Diet Coke and Mentos.
yes, challenge. And we just did the banana Sprite challenge.
That was gross.
That wasn't really working out for us. But it like
For
really
me.
hurts. Really hurts. That's good. We have beef, Mentos, and then we have Diet Coke. How is Diet Coke and Sprite gonna fix with our system and bananas and talkies for me?
Mentos.
Oh, and I have talkies, so.
We're gonna send the people of America. Nope.
Ha!
My butt hurts. My butt's gonna puke later because of all these bananas.
Diarrhea.
Stop eating those.
Oh!
What?
So good.
I'm just gonna take a handful of these and shove them in my mouth hole. Do you have to like eat these first, or?
You said you swallow them.
Yeah. I was gonna like eat them all day.
How am I gonna swallow all this when it's like freaking big?
Maybe.
She said that, whatever.
I tell every day.
You can't swallow it.
Really? But I didn't happen to swallow it. Take it with the medicine. Oh, that came out my nose. I can swallow. Oh dear, my nose hurts. So, drink some of that and then swallow. It doesn't feel like
my
it's gonna
hair.
put your weave up. No, I need a hair, man.
Oh, Kunta.
I
Take
know.
mine, whatever.
It's like me how.
It's fine. I'll wash my hair later anyways.
Oh, we took a shower. I'm not gonna do that ever again.
Oh!
What?
It broke in half for me.
Really? I can swallow it whole. Alright, this is better. My little short hair slide. How do you put this in your...
I'm really nervous. I can't swallow it that well, that's why.
Really? I can swallow it easily. Just think of it as a hill.
Or did it?
Oh, damn, it hurts. Does it hurt yet?
No.
Well, you're enjoying.
Oh!
You feel it right here?
Oh, Jesus.
See? We're gonna die.
We're gonna die.
Oh, I can feel it. Oh my god, I want the ones that are left, like some of that, whatever soda's left over, I'm gonna put them in there and throw them.
That's a waste of Diet Coke.
Sorry.
Really hot. Yeah. What?
Oh damn, this feels so good.
I'm gonna bite it in half.
Why, you can't get it all the way?
That's what you said.
I don't know if we're even doing this right. Who cares? Huh? What? Change? Did you eat?
Google it.
No, it's fine. This is a waste of Mentos. The good thing I love Mentos. Oh. You feel like you have to throw up? Dude, somebody just like foamed up out of my mouth and fell. You stepped in the puke. You lost your boyfriend, hide your shadows. I feel like I'm dying. Oh dear, that's horrible. I'm gonna have a six-pack after this. Oh my god. Where's my self-control?
If home is where my heart is.
Okay. But I feel like one. later on, we're both gonna be like, oh, after it settles. With the baby because I'm always throwing up.
Perfect timing. I can't do this anymore. I can't. My stomach hurts too much. Black Sabbath. Do you want to keep doing this? No. You just want to dance around and be stupid. Yes.
Oh, ha, ha.
Cause you know damn well. On Taki?
No.
Ooh, okay.
Alright, I just want to put them in here.
Sprite.
Sprite doesn't do anything. Alright, I'm gonna pour some into yours now.
Why?
Because then it'll be equal.
No, that's a waste of Diet Coke. Whatever, you paid for it anyways.
Yep. It's only like $1. Go tell your mom I wasted Diet Coke with them.
She'll kill you.
That's not that bad, is it? No? You want to go get another bottle and fill it up?
I am not walking all the way down there.
Do you want me? Alright, you might want to move some stuff. I feel like it's gonna do something because when it was in my mouth, it was like.
Well, she said.
Oh, good. Well, I'm gonna. Yeah, you can drink some. Alright. Put down so I can do it.
Oh, wait! My monster, Dr. Pepper.
Should I put like 2 in or something?
You want? Oh my god! Oh my god!
I'm wet. Drink it. I'm gonna eat the Mentos later. Oh my god. I'm gonna take a shower right now. Yeah. Yeah. Guess we're gonna go. So that shit was a waste of time, except for it makes you hurt. Like the other challenge, except for I threw up. But, yeah. If it doesn't work for you, do what I did. Or you'll be wasting your money. And then ruin your friend's bone. Bye. 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 Click that. Click.
I will, don't worry.
Well, edit that. Oh my god. I'm gonna go with the hose, I think.
And what?
Put a hose down every fucking thing.
My hair's all messed up. I blame the Kuntas. Everything's wet. So bad. Don't spray me, Kunta! Dang, my hair has to be all messed up and ratchet. Ratchet!